Hello, everyone, and welcome to the PegEx podcast. Today, we're talking about the EPA e-manifest system, what it is, and how to use it. My name is Michael Bryant. The EPA e-manifest system was launched in 2018, and some waste providers have already climbed on board with the program. For 2019, the EPA expects to receive over 2 million waste manifests. Among that total, however, the agency anticipates only about 10,000 will be fully electronic. Despite the slow adoption of the e-manifest system, the EPA is taking measures to improve compliance by implementing higher fees for the mailed paper copies. The deadline for full compliance has been set for the summer of 2021, at which point the EPA is certain to implement more stringent methods to improve compliance. In this article, we'll review how to use the e-manifest system, plus we'll explore ways to make compliance with the system much easier and more cost-effective. What is the EPA manifest system? The EPA established the e-manifest system according to the Hazardous Waste Electronic Manifest Establishment Act, which became law in 2012. This legislation authorizes the EPA to implement a national electronic manifest system to electronically track hazardous waste shipments. The costs of developing the operating system are covered by user fees charged to those who use hazardous waste manifests. So how do you go about registering for this e-manifest system? The first step in using the e-manifest system is to register online at the EPA website. Registration basically involves these three steps. 1. Obtain an EPA ID number. 2. Assign a site manager for your site or EPA ID. 3. Register for the e-manifest in the RECRA Info portal. This involves registering at RECRA Info and completing an e-learning course. Finally, the EPA or site manager approves the registration. So how do you use it? The EPA accepts 5 types of manifest submissions, including fully electronic, hybrid, data plus image, scanned image, and mailed paper copy. The electronic manifests can be fully electronic or hybrid. However, data plus image and scanned images can also use the e-manifest system for some of the functions. All handlers of manifests must be registered for e-manifest. Each category of manifest has its own special instructions which can be found on the EPA website. There's also a method to make the e-manifest submission even easier using convenient software solutions. One of the biggest complaints about the e-manifest is that it's complicated to use. Also, just because it's electronic does not mean errors can't happen in preparing the manifests. Waste Manifest software solves both problems as it makes generating and filing e-manifests easier and more accurate. Waste Manifest software falls under the general category of Software as a Service, or for short, SaaS. These tools are designed to optimize any number of waste business operations. Many companies in every sector have been adopting these tools to save time, resources, and generate more revenue. Let's talk about the advantages of using Waste Manifest software. Preparing a waste manifest takes time. Waste Manifest software makes it easier by allowing users to point and click to quickly complete many form fields instead of typing out information. This also improves accuracy as many typos will be eliminated. As the waste manifest takes less time to create, work teams are free to complete other tasks. Also, the software makes it easier to train new hires to complete these forms, especially since people are more tech-savvy today than ever. Some Waste Manifest software solutions even allow you to directly link to the e-manifest system via the EPA RECRA Info portal. This puts the entire process under one platform for maximum efficiency. Let's talk about revenue generation. The reality is that Waste Manifest software is part of a larger package called Waste Management software. These powerful platforms open a wide range of opportunities for waste companies to improve operations and grow their business. For instance, the Sales Management component allows you to manage business with real-time updates of all business-critical functions, visualize all sales opportunities at a glance, leverage a variety of sales team management tools, and see real-time job status updates. Also, the customer management component makes sure that you retain customers and meet their needs. Remember, it can cost 5 times more to attract new customers versus retaining a current one. Even though waste manifests are under the e-manifest system requirements, waste services companies are constantly filling out forms. In a regulated environment, The accuracy of these forms is imperative. From a business point of view, the time it takes to complete the form is critical. Just like the waste manifest, many other forms can be generated by business software, such as waste profiles, quotes, biennial EPA reports. Plus, other documents can be stored online, such as safety data sheets, EPA ID number applications, permits, quotes, licenses, contracts, work orders, certificate of destruction, and more. The other benefit is that all these archived documents are stored in a central location in the cloud, so they can be accessed from any computer with an internet connection or even on a mobile device. Not only is there no special hardware required, but it also provides a level of security against fire or other natural disasters. The e-manifest is simply a manifestation of an overall trend towards digitization of not only regulated documents, but of overall business functions. In the past, technology updates meant weeks, if not months, of meticulous planning to install servers and hardware on-premise. Today, the installation of software is much more agile and requires no special hardware at all. Deployment time is often reduced to days instead of weeks. Also, the system updates are automatic and don't require an IT team, as the SaaS provider does the tweaking. These digital solutions have been developed by technological experts who also have experience in the waste industry. This is especially important as many large generic software companies will try to sell their options to any buyer. For waste management companies, the best solutions are created by those with first-hand knowledge in the waste sector. This helps to make sure compliance is spot on and that the nuances of the waste industry are appropriately addressed. The end result is better business operations, improved customer satisfaction, and new revenue streams. Get a free demo of the PegEx platform, our waste management software, built specifically for waste industry service providers. To get your free demo, call us at 888-681-9616 or visit us online at pegex.com. Thanks for listening.